Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Vivo mobile perfectly without losing any of your data. So you can start fresh and keep everything important. Number 1. Backup everything first. The very first thing you need to do is backup your data. You can backup right from your Vivo phone. Go to settings, then scroll down and click on system, then click on backup and restore, or you can use Vivo cloud backup. Tap backup my data and wait until it finishes. It depends on the internet connection and I prefer connecting to the Wi-Fi while doing the backup process. It eliminates the time process and it completes the backup faster. After that, connect your phone to your PC or laptop and copy that backup folder over or upload it to Google Drive. It's your wish. That backup file is what you will use later when setting up your Vivo phone as a fresh device. If in case you don't want all these things, you can directly follow this step. Number 2, navigate to reset options. Once your backup is done, head into settings, scroll down and select system. Then tap reset options. Here you will see erase all data, aka factory reset. That's the option we need. Number 3, erase all data. Tap erase all data, aka factory reset. You will see a list of your Google, Gmail and other accounts registered on the phone, just so you know what's being signed out. Double check that your backup is complete, then hit erase all data at the bottom right. When prompted, enter your lock screen security. Maybe it is either pattern, PIN or password. Finally, tap erase all data again to confirm. Number 4. What to do while it resets. Your Vivo will reboot and begin formatting. Don't press any buttons during this process. Otherwise, you might end up in bootloader mode or cause errors. This usually takes a couple of minutes. Just wait for it to finish. Number 5. Restore your backup. After the reset completes, your phone will start like it's brand new. During the setup wizard, choose restore from backup, local or Google Drive. Sign into your Google or Vivo account, point to the backup file and all your contacts, photos, messages and apps will come right back. Now I'm going to give some pro tips here. Number 1. Keep your mobile phone battery above 50% or stay plugged in. Number 2. Remove any microSD card beforehand so nothing on external storage gets wiped.